and they sold on eBay for 700 and some change. What are you doing with all these Pokemon cards? Are you about to have a battle? Are you about to, it says get printing label, so I'm gonna go inside, get the printing label for each of these. If you gonna ship anything out to the post office, have everything ready, is to start reselling and selling things online, whether that be eBay, Facebook Market. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're talking about reselling. So if some of you don't know, I used to be a host on the Turo platform. I rented out a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan on the Turo platform, but I recently stopped doing that because it just wasn't bringing me as much money. If you want to find out more about that, why I quit doing Turo, or if you want to see how to start doing Turo, I got plenty of videos right here that you can check out. But in today's video, we're not talking about that. We're talking about the next best side hustle to start in 2024 going into 2025. I recently was at my local Costco shopping, buying groceries, as you know anybody does, buying things in bulk. I was walking past a couple people and I noticed that they had Pokemon cards in their basket. Not only did they have just one or two of them, they had like at least like 30 to like 15. They had a lot of these Pokemon cards in their basket. So I was like, bro, like what's going on? What are you doing with all these Pokemon cards? Are you about to have a battle? Are you about to, have a tournament? Let me know. So he was like, hey, they're hitting for $37 in store, but online they're reselling for $100. So I was like, whoa, I'll take 10. So I bought 10 Pokemon cards, as you can see right here. So that gave me the best and the greatest idea, is to start reselling and selling things online, whether that be eBay, Facebook Market, or Amazon, which Amazon, there's a little bit more that gets into if you're going to be selling on Amazon, but eBay is a good place to get started. So is Facebook Market. If y'all haven't, follow me on Instagram at Wallace Low Country Rentals. I used to resell Legos and everything like that. I've resold and bought a lot of things off Facebook Market. So I was kind of familiar. So when he was selling it online, two main places people sell things online is Facebook Market and eBay. So I was like, perfect. They've already been purchased. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing y'all along with me to go drop these off at the UPS store, and also head down to my county office and get my resale license for my business. Some of you also don't know, I got my own business, so I can sell these items and not be taxed when I purchase them, and sell them at the wholesale price. So at Costco, you're able to enter in your resale number, not get taxed at the point of sale, and then you could resell it and get taxed later on. All 10 of these Pokemon cards for $414, and they sold on eBay for 700 and some change. I could have sold it a little bit higher because, like how he said, it was selling online for $100, but the market started getting a little bit saturated. I started noticing people were going down to, 75, 85, whatever. So I was like, okay, cool. Just for me to make a quick flip, I'm gonna sell them at $73.99, and that's exactly what I did. And these sold out within a week. So if I handled it at a little bit higher price, I could have got some more money, but I made $300 from selling them within a week. So that's not bad. Enough talking. Let's go ahead and go down to my post office, get these mailed out, go to the library, get my resale information filled out, and then we're gonna go enjoy today together. So if you want to see that kind of video, definitely stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in a few. Got the Pokemon cards in the car, and the UPS store is right over there, as you can see. So we're gonna go drop these off. I tried to get like a cool angle and shot, but there's no parking up front, as you can see, so I can't do that. But just imagine what it's like. So let me show you what it would look like when you do get an order or something off of eBay. But on the app, as you can see right here, it says get printing label. So I'm gonna go inside, get the printing label for each of these, and get that ready to send off to the buyer. I had 4 buyers out of the 10 Pokemon cards I did have, so that's pretty good. And yeah, so we're just gonna print out the printer labels, get these all shipped out. But selling on eBay is really simple and easy. It's not hard at all. All right, guys, so still got the Pokemon cards. Turns out that it's the USPS and not UPS that's over there. So United States Postal Office instead of UPS. This isn't where the cards go. It's all part of the process. I didn't know. I also maybe have messed up and can't get the tracking information again. So yeah, we got to figure that out, but we got to go to the post office first. So let's go ahead and do that. That was kind of confusing. I didn't really know what to do. You know, I'm learning. It's all about a learning experience. I'm taking y'all along with me to learn because I don't know what to do, and I might have messed up, but I don't know. So yeah. Guys, let me tell you, if you're gonna ship anything out to the post office, have everything ready. Come with your own box, tape, just everything. All you need to do is just scan the QR code, boom, send off the package. That took me almost an hour and some change. The post office. We at the post office. I got everything mailed out. Post office right there. That took a while. The lady in there was nice, but it was sickening. You had people popping gum on the phone, babies crying. It was not a fun experience. I feel very stressed out from this whole experience, but we got everything shipped out. Let's go get some coffee. Let's just go get some coffee and just go from there. All right, guys. So let's talk a little bit more. So forget coffee. We're not getting coffee because we got more things to do. So we're just running off of straight energy, you know, like natural energy that I'm just producing. And I want this to be a great video for y'all because at first I was feeling a little discouraged about that UPS thing, or not the UPS, but about shipping those out. I've never sold anything on eBay before, so that was my very first time doing it. The post office charges you for everything. So I had to pay for bubble wrap, boxes, and you know, yeah. And I've already paid for the shipping of it too on eBay, and this person just cut me off. But it's okay because we're gonna make this a good video. I'm not gonna let anybody continue to rain on my parade. Inside the post office was a headache. I was very on my last nerve, I tell you. And I try to be patient. I try not to be annoying, but she was right behind me popping gum, and it was just a whole situation. But nevertheless, we're gonna continue on with this video and talk to y'all about reselling in 2024 to 2025. I'm gonna tell you some of the reasons why you want to resell. So for example, like we said with the Pokemon cards, I bought those for a low price and I made a profit. So if I was to rent my car out on Turo, for me to make $300 for me doing Turo would take me about 3 to 5 days to make $300 profit. And that's not all profit because, you know, I still have to put money to the side for maintenance. But once those cards are sold and the shipping and everything's paid for, that's all profit. That's all my money that I get to keep, and it's nothing I have to save for a rainy day or anything like that. So that's one of the good things about reselling, is that you don't have to worry about, you know, the overhead expenses. All you have to do is worry about is paying for shipping and supplies, and that's about it. Oh, I'm trying to drive right now and talk to y'all. Good thing we in that supercharged thing. Hopefully, and I'm not really much of a political guy. I try not to get into politics or anything like that because I don't really know too much about politics. Okay, so I'm just gonna say that to start off with. But hopefully in this new year, things will be back lowered. People will be making more money and be able to save more money on a lot of goods and products. So therefore, you'll be able to buy a lot of things in stores for a cheaper price. What that may be, it all just depends, you know? That's why it's good, if you don't already, go ahead and get your business license. And that way you can resell, you can write things off on taxes. Like I just spent $20 there for all the boxes and everything, but I'm gonna write that off on my taxes at the end of the year. So it's not too bad because it's all for the business. Now's the time, if you're watching this right now, go ahead and set up your business license. When it comes to finding that right product, it's all about just looking online and figuring out what product really works. You know, you're gonna have to just look it up. Say you go into Target, Walmart, or even Costco, Sam's Club, any of those things like that. Say you like certain shoes, okay? So look how much those shoes are selling for online. Takes a quick second, look on eBay, Amazon. We're coming into the holiday seasons. It's almost Black Friday. If you can find any cheap electronics, toys, anything like that, go ahead and purchase them. That way they can be sold real quick and you can make that profit. And I believe if it's worth being sold, if you can at least make 20 is the minimum. If you can make $20 minimum off each product, it's worth being sold, depending on what the product is. Now is the time also to save your money and put it to the side so you can be able to move your money around and make money. Because if I just let that $400 that I spent on those cards sit in my bank account, it probably would have got spent on something else, or it would have just sat there and not made any money. So I just moved my money around, put it in circulation, and I was able to make a $300 extra profit off selling those Pokemon cards. So another good advice to take into is to save your money for rainy days, because you never know what's going to happen, and we're able to make money, you know, be profitable when it comes to having businesses and side hustles. So save your money, make an LLC, and you'll have everything all figured out when it comes to that. up right there. Got all my business information right here. So let's go in this library and see what's going on today. All right, y'all, we got the form printed out right here. Hopefully this is the only form I need. I'm not too sure, but we definitely about to find out. But yeah, the county office, or the whatever, I don't even really know the name of the office, but it's right over there on the other side, Gilliard Center. So we're about to head over there and get that hopefully figured out. To the Gilliard Center. It's like always a nice building. It's really nice over here. Yeah, I'm back in the car on the GoPro, and it turns out that I did not have to go all the way down there to get my resale certificate or license. It's all done online, and they don't even do that there. So I just went all down there for no reason, and yeah, I think I'm gonna pick back up this video later on today. All right, guys, we are back where we first all started, back in the studio to finish off this video. Like I said in my last clip, I wasn't able to get my resale certificate, my local county office where you file get your business licensing and everything like that. I was able to go on the website, which was on top of the paper, which I didn't even really realize, but I was able to go on South Carolina Department of Revenue and file everything. Like I said, that's on my Instagram story. If y'all want to see behind the scenes, go ahead and drop a follow. You can ask me questions, or you can just see what's going on behind the scenes of everything. I was able to file it and get everything submitted, so hopefully within the next couple of days I'll have that resale certificate number. But yeah, I just really want to make this video for y'all today to tell you that I think reselling is not the next best thing, because reselling's been around for I don't even know how long, for the longest of time. Honestly, eBay's been around a long time, so has Facebook Market. But I'm trying to tell you that now is the time to get into reselling and to get started. Save your extra dollars that you can, find a product that's sold at a low price and reselled online for a higher price, and start getting into it. You can make an extra $20 to $200, $500, $2,000 a month off doing this. So it's really simple, it's really easy. It's just about finding that right product at the right time and the right location. Tell y'all what I have working up next and what this channel is gonna consist of, my plans of my next business ideas since I'm no longer doing Turo, and just bring y'all along with me through the whole process of it. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. This wasn't the best and the most informational video because I wasn't able to actually get my resale number today, but I still hope that you guys liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching today's video, y'all. Peace.